Hey guys, all right, I am gonna show you how to do a ponytail. I know, sounds super basic, but have you ever gone to do a ponytail and you get it all nice and, just how you want it to lay, and you go to put it in and then you go around and you're pulling it all around like this, and before you know it, it's lumpy, it's like crooked, and you don't realize what happened? Okay, so this is a little trick that I discovered one day. And this is for share this with the dads that have to put their daughter's hair up for school and they don't know how to do it.
Vacuums.
Okay, so you are gonna get the hair just how you want it. I'm gonna use my right hand that has the rubber band on it. Hold the section, take your rubber band, pull that hair out. So as you can see, I'm not letting go of this hair at all. Not until I have that first solid loop. And now you have an even ponytail that is not lumpy and just how you wanted it. All right, let me know how it goes.